Chapter 10 of 16. Design documents required for database engine development. Pradeep K. Suri. Design documents required for database engine development. Several design documents are typically required for database engine development and schema design. These documents help to ensure that the database engine and schema are designed correctly, meet the business requirements, and can be effectively maintained over time. Here are some examples of the design documents that are commonly used in database engine development and schema design. Conceptual design. The conceptual design document describes the high-level architecture and functionality of the database engine and schema. It outlines the business requirements, data sources, and data models that are needed to design the schema. This document serves as a roadmap for the development process. Logical design. The logical design document specifies the logical structure of the database schema. It includes the data models, entity relationship diagrams, data dictionaries, and data flow diagrams that are needed to describe the relationships between the various data elements. This document serves as the basis for the physical implementation of the database schema. Physical design. The physical design document specifies the physical implementation of the database schema. It includes details such as table structures, column definitions, data types, indexing, and constraints. This document also includes information on how the database schema will be stored, accessed, and managed. Schema diagrams. Schema diagrams provide a visual representation of the database schema, including tables, columns, and relationships between them. These diagrams help to ensure that the schema is designed correctly and can be easily understood by developers, database administrators, and other stakeholders. Performance design. The performance design document outlines the strategies and techniques used to optimize the performance of the database engine and schema. It includes details on indexing strategies, query optimization, and data caching techniques. Security design. The security design document outlines the security requirements and measures that are needed to protect the database engine and schema from unauthorized access or manipulation. It includes details on access control, authentication, and encryption. These are just some examples of the design documents that are typically required for database engine development and schema design. The specific design documents required will depend on the size and complexity of the project, as well as the specific business requirements and technical specifications. Thank you.